What's up guys, Scott here with Wandering the Wilderness, and I am doing some improvements to a shooting range, and I'm going to be building some pretty simple H stands, and we're just going to show you that process. Thing about the H stands, it's super simple, doesn't take tons of material, and you can use your paper targets or cardboard or whatever it is that you can staple to that, and you can move them around. So if you're running different training scenarios or whatever it is, you got these stands to hold a target, and you can kind of set up a range however you want to for whatever training you're working on. You know, you can use one H stand as, say, the civilian, and the other H stand as the threat. So you can practice a variety of scenarios. I'm going to be building just 5 of them to kind of set up 5 different lanes for some shooting that will be coming on soon. An announcement I will be giving out a little bit later, but I just wanted to kind of show you what I was doing. Now I'm going to be setting it up for that paper target that I'm using, and I'm just taking this old rough cut timber here, and this is all pine. It was milled off of this property here, and I'm just cutting boards that are 5 foot in length. Now these are I'm going to be cutting, you need 2 of these for each H stand. All right, now these happen to be much longer than the 5 foot, and I am using the scrap piece that comes off of the 5 foot cut will be one of the legs. All right, so we got 2 5 foot links, 2 scraps for the legs, and then I'm doing 2 larger pieces that are 18 inches. All right, and that's because the paper targets that I'm running, they are 17 inches wide and they are 25 inches long. All right, I'm doing it the 5 foot. That's kind of going to be your general area that you're going to be looking at from shoulder down, and it's just a good measurement to hit for me. So I'm going to be cutting up more of this material, enough to be able to make 6 or 5 H stands. So I'm going to need 2 5 foot pieces for each one, 2 18-inch pieces for each one, and 2 legs for each one. All right, when I get one assembled, I'll show you what they look like. All right guys, just wanted to show you our finished product real quick. So simple basic H stand for target shooting. All right, so ran the 2x4s down the side, put the scrap across the bottom for the legs with some bracing, and then put my wider pieces right here across the middle. This works out great for just stapling a variety of targets. However you may do your shooting, you know, leaves the middle section empty. You're going to get a lot of your pass-throughs, helps preserve the overall integrity of the structure. It's solid and works great for setting up a variety of training scenarios. All right, so again, I got a 5 foot tall here, end up being a 19 wide is what I end up doing. We're at 28 here, so you can hold a variety of different targets. Just did that brace across the bottom, and the legs are 42 inches in length, you know, so not stupid heavy, made out of pine, and will hold up and work great for a variety of different training scenarios. So I'm going to build 4 more of these and go set up the shooting range. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless.